I share the sky with another type of bird. Instead of hatching from an egg, it is made from steel. This got birdie thinking. What goes into the assembly of a super large aircraft? Wow, here come the parts for the AG-600 large amphibious aircraft. In this huge hangar, the Aviation Corporation of China puts all the parts of the plane together. Soon, it will soar into the skies and also glide over open waters. After all birds love a bird bath. In Chinese, the AG-600 goes by the name Kunlong, or the water dragon. Look underneath. At its belly, it looks like the hull of a boat. This unique design means it can land and operate on water during rescue missions. The unusual shape means assembly is no easy task. But our bright engineers have developed their own techniques to help this bird fly. They chartered unknown waters to make a super large plane that can swim and a magic ship that can fly. Watch out for Birdie as she swoops down onto your screen with more fun facts and stories from the world of aviation.